What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. My name is Forte Koup. I am a car enthusiast from the beautiful island of Puerto Rico, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to fix an exhaust leak. So guys, I'm going to be working in my car. I have a 2016 Kia Forte Koup. I've been running with an exhaust leak for the last maybe 2 weeks now, and I haven't gone to the shop and fix it because of all the things that are going around the world, the virus and all that, and I just can't go to the shop. So I was like 2 days ago filling up the car in the gas station, and while I was just waiting there, I saw this thing. Give me a second. I saw this. So this says that it's an epoxy adhesive, and it's kind of interested me because I want to fix the exhaust. So I started looking for more things like this, and I found this other thing. This is an steel like epoxy. It has like an engine photo there, so I hope it works in my car. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload a video. I'm gonna try and upload maybe 2 videos a week up until I start working again and all that. So I am already under the car. I'm gonna try and show you the leak. Yeah, I think you guys can see it. That right there, that is the leak. It's pretty bad. I know it's pretty big. I should go to a shop and get it welded, but it's all closed up because of the quarantine and whatnot, and I'm not going to expose myself just to fix the exhaust. But I kind of want to fix it because it's pretty annoying. It's pretty gnarly how it sounds. I don't like it. So I'm going to get out of the car, start mixing the epoxy, and just glue that up. So I have to say this: I am in no way an expert in this, and I have never fixed an exhaust. It's the first time for me working with epoxy and all of these things. So if you see me doing something wrong, let me know down in the comment section. Just understand that I'm learning. If you have at least something good to say. So first thing I'm gonna do is clean the part of the exhaust I'm going to be working on pretty well, and after that I'm going to apply the epoxy. So I'm going to be using an all-purpose cleaner, which is this one, and I'm going to be using some sandpaper. So yeah, let's get to it. So now that we're finished cleaning it up, we're gonna start and mixing the epoxy so that we can apply it. So yeah guys, to mix the epoxy, I just have this small cup that I found here in my house, and I'm going to squeeze it all in. I'm not going to use half and half. Just squeeze it all in, and whatever, the more the merrier, right? Finish mixing the epoxy. I'm going to apply it now. So I just just finished putting the epoxy into the exhaust, and I hope it's sealed, because if not, I'm going to freaking lose it. So this thing is not at all what I expected. It dried up really quick. It was really hot, and you know, I'm just learning here. You know, it's the first time for me doing this type of job, so I really don't know anything. So if you're enjoying the video, make sure to go down below, hit that like button, just to support the dude out. You know, I'm teaching you guys how to not fix your exhaust, so you might as well just go down below and hit that like button, right? Yeah. Wait. Almost forgot. So we got everything tied up. It's time to start the car and see if actually the epoxy did something. So let's go check that out. Let's find out. So right now I don't hear any leaks, so that's a good sign. But we actually have to test it, right? So let's give it some reps. I actually don't hear any leaks. So guys, there you have it. It did seal up the leak pretty well, so I am going to leave it at that point for now, because I can't go out today and test it because it's too late and I can't go out. So see you guys tomorrow, just a couple of seconds. Bye. So guys, this is the next day, and if you just remember, I told you guys that I was going to wait up until today to get the car out and actually test what we did in it, but I just couldn't wait to drive it and hear it. And last night, after I finished recording on that, I just decided to get the car and, you know, go around the neighborhood. And in between that time, I just decided to give it a rip. You know, why not? You know, it's fixed already, why not? Literally in front of my house right here, I decided to rip it, just floor it. And when I floored it, I heard it like it was incredible, the change and the sound of the car when I floored it, and the epoxy just flew again. And you know, I broke the exhaust once again. So yeah, the fix we did today actually only was there for about a couple of minutes, but yeah, such is life. I actually wasn't going to upload this video, but you know what, after editing practically everything in the video, last part I just needed was this one. So yeah, I just decided, why not? You know, not everything in life goes the way you want it, right? And that is part of life, you know. I just want to have that raw content and show you guys that not everything that we do goes the way we want it. So yeah, if you're still watching the video, make sure and go down below and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel while you're at it, and turn on the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. I actually have a bunch of things coming for the car right now. I ordered like, how many? Two things for the car to get, you know, start doing a little bit of content for you guys, something different. And you know, I have a bunch of plans. I want to like build this garage and make it my own, literally. Like, look for something and put it right there so that, like, I don't know if you have watched other of my video. If you haven't, I'm going to put a link right here so that you can watch my last video. Whenever I am recording in this side and it's, you know, it's during the day, overall, if I want to like record here, it's like too bright. So I want a little more privacy. Because as you just see, I have a road right in front of my house, and all the cars and all that noises just freaking it's so annoying, you know, while I'm recording, all the cars going around and people watching me talking to a camera and thinking that I'm stupid or what, you know. So yeah, I just want a little more privacy. And yeah, I have a lot of plans for you guys. So if you want to keep watching me doing a bunch of stuff in my house and to my car, go down below and subscribe to the channel. So that is going to be for today. See you in the next one. Peace, and remember, never give up.